Okay, welcome back. I'm Akshay Rathod from Coding Ventures, and today we are going to how to install AVD, that is Android Virtual Device, in your Android Studio. So let's get started. First, open the Android Studio. We have opened the project we are previously working on, that is my app. So we want some virtual device or emulators to test our Android application. For this, you can see here the device manager is here. From here, you can open the settings and all the things required for Android virtual device. Apart from that, you also can open it from here tool, that is device manager. Here you can see device manager is open. So first of all, we need to check the devices. So click on the create device button. So here you can see you can create the emulators of various devices. If you are building application for smart TVs, then you can use the virtual TV devices. If you are building the application for phone as well as tablet, then you can select the various devices listed here, as well as Wear OS and all other things, even the automobiles. So for this thing I am going to choose Pixel 4, or most of the time we also can go with Nexus devices. The most important thing is that we need to choose the devices which have this icon, which is Play Store icon, available in that device. So let's select Nexus 5. You can see here the size is normal and the ratio is long and display is XHDPI. Okay, we will see what the XHDPI and all other things really means. Then you need to click on the next button. Here you can see the various images or the operating system images for that device. You can select. I want to test the latest devices or latest the operating system. So we are going with API version 31, that is Android S. You also can select the specific devices, like for if you have a dedicated systems for x86 Intel's x86 graphics, then you can select the images from here. Or otherwise, if you have some ARM based processor in your computer development device, you can select the devices. Meanwhile, I am going with the recommended one. This is so first of all, we need to download this device. You can see here API level 31. It's a Android 12 Google incorporation x86 64-bit. Okay, so I am just going to click on the download button. It will ask me to accept the terms and conditions. So click on the accept button. You can see and click on the next. The download process of the device will be started. Here you can see it takes near about 1.3 GB size on your hard disk. Alright, you can see here our device image for Android S is installed successfully. So just click on the finish button. You can see here it is listed the device information. You can refresh here, and also you can check all other things. See the API level detailed documentation. So I am just going to click on the next. Here you have some basic settings for your Android virtual device. The name is Nexus 5 API 21. I am okay with that name. Here you can see the resolution. It's a 4.95 inches 1080 into 1920 pixels phone. I want this with a portrait mode. You can see the operating system version. Also, you can see here some emulator preferences like graphics and all other things you can manage from here. Apart from that, you can see here you have a tabs related network. You can switch to various tabs for 3G, GSM. You want to check your device on various network settings. Also, you can set the latency of your network connection from here. Apart from that, you can set emulator preferences from there, like graphics and all other things. So I am just going with quick boot because it helps us to start our device very fast. Apart from that, it will take like 1.5 GB of RAM. You can also set this RAM to some different levels. Okay, apart from that, You can change the heap memory size of your devices it requires. You can also change the internal storage. In my case, it's decided to be 2 GB, or even though you can set various preferences for SD card, what will be storages, all other things. Device frames, you can choose from here various types of device frame, and keyboard, like enable keyboard input. So I am good with this all the settings and network libraries. So I am just going to click on the finish, and my device or emulator is going to set up. So here in the device manager panel, you can see the Nexus 5 device is set up. You can run it from here. Apart from that, you can edit the changes, or also you can delete your device and wipe the data of the device, and much more things you can do from here. Shut down, cold boot, and all other things. So in this way we can set up our Android emulator in our Android Studio. So this is our app that we are building previously. So let's quickly run this app. So just go here and click on this button, run app. It will check for any virtual or any real devices are existed. If it is, then it can check here. You can also select the emulators. Okay, you can see here the Android emulator is launched in your Android Studio, and also the app installation is also finished. But we are getting a message, system due to low configuration of my computer, I am not able to run this emulator properly. But in your case it will work. Okay, you can see here, you can see the my app is installed successfully on our emulator, and you can see the header and hello world. Okay, right, so you can minimize the application from clicking this button. In my case, due to my computer configurations, the emulator is not working properly. But if your system is high end, you can easily work with emulator. I mostly prefer using the real device for testing the Android application. So in the next video we are going to see how to set up our real device to test our Android application along with Android Studio. I am going to sign off. Till then, happy coding.